Hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 apps that you can start using from your cell phone. It doesn't matter if you are using an iPhone, iOS, or an Android device. You can download these apps and you can start making money from your home. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. And by the way, watch this entire video because at the end I'm going to show you a way in which you can make even more money. Okay? Passive income, make more money. That's going to be at the end of the video. Now let's go back to the topic. The very first app they're going to be talking about, it's called getcashforapps.com. Getcashforapps.com. It's really easy. It's actually the fastest way in which you can get gift cards and in-app purchases. Okay, you are gonna have this app available for, as I mentioned, iOS and Android. So there is no excuses. How does it work? It's really simple. You're gonna get free items. You're gonna get this from free items, Google Play, Amazon. Right, gift cards, and the only thing that you just need to do is download the apps. That's it. You just need to download the apps. Okay, this is gonna be like this, right? You're gonna download it. These are the amount of points that you're gonna earn, and yes, you're gonna collect points for every app you download and test out. Okay, you don't need to leave it installed or leave it like open, right? Or running on the background. It's not like that. Just download the apps that the system is telling you, right? And you're gonna earn points, and you're gonna redeem points to your favorite gift cards. Okay, you can have them from Gap. They can be from Old Navy, Best Buy, GameStop, Starbucks, Amazon, Xbox. So here are some testimonials of real people. You can actually click on their account so you can see they're not just screenshots of people who are actually making money with cash for apps. Okay, getcashforapps.com. And if you go to the Play Store, right, you can see that over 300,000 people have downloaded this app. Okay, this is just on Android. Remember that this is also available on iOS. Free gift card, free points, and here are the list of some of the places in which you can redeem these free gift cards: Google Play, iTunes, Amazon, GameSpot, Starbucks, Skype, Best Buy, Walmart, Target, eBay, etc. Okay, so how much points do you need to make in order to redeem $1? It's actually 300 points, but don't worry, just by downloading one app you are gonna have the points that you need. And as you can see, the reviews is pretty high, 4.5 stars. Here's a guy that says, as February 25th 2019, this app still reward you for the hard work. Got my $10 gift card in less than 12 hours. Okay, so really nice. The second one that we're gonna take a look, it's called QME. It's QMEE.com. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to share your opinion, shop, search, and you're gonna earn real money. Okay, so earn cash, not swags or points. And you just need to, to join with your email and your password. And again, this app is available on iOS and Google Play. As you can see, they have been featured on several websites as Mashable, Huffington Post, MSN, CNN Money, and Forbes. It's really easy. You're gonna earn money. Remember, not points. When you take a survey It can be on your laptop or your mobile device. You're going to share your opinion. When you go shopping, okay, you're going to have discounts or deals or coupons. Okay, there is no minimum of cash out amount, so you can get your earnings at any time. Earn cash with our special chosen offers. Okay, and it's really easy. They do have their own browser, the QMe browser app, so you can earn money just by doing what you're usually doing, browsing and clicking. So it's really easy, really simple. And here they do have some testimonials as well. Again, this is not a screenshot, so you can validate this. This is also available on iOS and Google Play. If you go to Google Play, as you can see, more than 20,000 people have downloaded this. So it's not like, hey, you're going to be the only one there. And as you can see, their reviews is 4.3 out of 5 stars. So this is a legit app that is actually paying people. Okay, you're going to earn cash, answering surveys to earn cash rewards. You're going to share it with your friends if you want to earn more money. And you're going to start earning money right away. You're going to have discounts, coupons, or special offers, so you can save money on your favorite brands. And there is no minimum of how much money you can actually withdraw, and you can get paid through PayPal. Or if you want, you can take a gift card, okay? The third one that we're going to review, it's called cashpirate.mobile, okay? Cash Pirate, don't worry, you can always Google it. It's like this, Cash Pirate. Okay, you're gonna earn money and gift cards. Again, it's available on Android and iOS. What you need to do? Well, you need to try free apps, complete surveys, and watch videos. Okay, that's it. And you're gonna get paid through Amazon, PayPal, Facebook, Hulu, Best Buy. Okay. So it's actually really, really good. If you don't have anything else to do right now and you have a cell phone, this is something that, hey, it's going to give you money. Okay, you just need to follow the instructions. Here is a video explaining how it's actually works, but basically it's like this. You're going to download and register, right? Remember, you can download it on your Android device or iOS. You're going to try a free app. You're going to watch a video or you're going to complete a survey. You're going to get coins for every complete test, okay? And you can redeem this by, getting cash. You can also refer friends. So they do have a referral program. If you refer someone, you're going to get 10% of their earning as well as 5% of all the friends your friend refer. Okay, this is like a 2-tier affiliate commission system or something like that. So you don't have to be doing the thing like all day. So they explain it. It's simple. Invite your friend to join Cash Pirate. When using your invitation code during the registration, both of you will profit. You will get 10% of your referrals earning and 5% of the referrals earnings. Okay, here we are going to go to Google Play. As you can see, over 90,000 people so far have downloaded this, and the review is 4.4. Okay, so this is a legit website. Again, they're explaining to you that you just need to download free apps, try free games, and you can invite people. You can also take surveys, or you can take free trials or watch videos, and you're going to make money. There is another one that is called App Karma. The appkarma.io. You're going to earn rewards playing with apps. It's 100% free. And you can redeem your points by, getting paid through PayPal or, by getting a gift code. Okay. You just need to install it and you're going to get 300 points. This is available on iOS and Android. You can refer friends. But this is more like for YouTubers or people who have like a big influence on Instagram and blogs, but you need to apply, okay? It's not like the other one that everybody can do it. This is by application. You just need to first, install App Karma, right? And by the way, they do have like daily bonuses. So my suggestion is to go and check to see what else do they have, like what special deals, so you can get more money. Okay. Here we can go to the Play Store, and as you can see, over 300,000 people have installed this. Okay. And the actual points or the reviews, they do have 4.5 stars. So a lot of people are getting revenues from this one. And we have also Money App, moneyapp.org. Okay, how it works? Again, you need to download it. It's available on iOS and Google Play. You're gonna earn credit. They do have something what they call the Hot Offers tab. It can vary. It can be something from sharing something, watching videos, completing surveys, different tasks, okay, that they do have. Once the credit balance is placed on the top right of the screen, it's enough to cash out you can do as a payout, and you can redeem these points on PayPal. Okay, they are gonna pay you in around 48 hours, okay, directly to your account. So you don't have anything to lose. And you can see here, like, hey, we are gonna go to the Google Play Store. They do have over 200,000 people who have downloaded this app. The stars, it's 4.7 stars. So this is actually really, really legit. So you can see, like, you're gonna complete tasks to accumulate credit rewards, redeem your credit cards via PayPal, or more options are coming soon, and you're gonna get paid between 2 to 3 working days. Okay, so these are ways in which you can actually make money online. These are not my top favorite. I actually prefer to earn way more money while enjoying my life. So if you want to know what's my number one recommendation is to make money online, making, a full-time income while you sleep, while you travel, when you're enjoying life, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Well, this is it for this video. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.